Hi, here we are at Woorim on Bribie Island. Claire Uttley Realty and myself are proudly marketing this home at 4 Woods Court. It's got a double lock-up garage plus a high clearance carport for your motorhome or RV. Direct access to the beach at the end of the cul-de-sac street. Very private property, very private address. This property is one of those ones that rarely comes up. It's a 5-bedroom, 2-bathroom that is just not to be missed.
Windows down with the radio on, watching another perfect day roll along, where the good times never fade, and every sunset knows your name. Nowhere but Woorim, where the sea meets the soul you're living. Best of beach living, sunshine days that just keep giving.
If you're in the market for something like this, please get in touch with me for a private inspection or come along to one of the open houses. Tim Moore, Claire Uttley Realty.